You ever just have that feeling that, I think there's something in front of the lens. Oh yeah, there is. Yep. There, got it. I had that feeling on my way over that I shouldn't have put them 3 bales on tailgate, because they slid all off the back going up that hill there, and I lost them. But that's okay. It happens. No, yeah. Yep, there they are. Best thing John Deere did. Best thing was put the park brake in the transmission, and I got rid of that stupid foot actuated park brake there with the cable. Best design ever. Trying to open the field up. That way we can get this done up here. Keep on rocking and rolling. And I'll just wait here for a big machine to go. Well, I'll just actually wait here altogether until he is full again. That's my job as a grain cart operator, is to haul the grain away from the combine, dump it in a truck whenever it gets here. Kind of curious to see how these new sneakers do on the front rear end of this tractor. Those duals, they are not new, but the main tires are. So we're gonna see just how well they do. And I caught back up with him, kind of. So I'll set right here till he gets a field. Or you know what? Are you gonna want me to go to the back of the field and come up this way while we unload, or how are you gonna do that?
Where are you at?
Right behind you on the other side of the drive.
Just stay there.
Okay. That answers that question. Okay. Part of me kind of thinks too that a combine should have the turning radius of a 0-turn lawnmower. I don't know. What do you guys think? Yes or no? We might have to be coming up with something different because well, the fields are too gooey to do it. Oh, I hope, but I don't have a chain. Gosh darn it. Yeah. This might not go over too well. Just keep rocking her back and forth and it'll go eventually. Or not. We might have to be loading out on the road. Keep rocking it, it'll go eventually. That's going up. Green truck's trying to back in. trying to. Field is too smeary to be turning around in.
Hey, little fellas here. Yes, sir.
Come on, I'll blow a horn when you're good.
Just tell me. I don't know. I'll hear you.
That's good.
Thank you.
Yep. Who said we're gonna need a third truck? We're doing just fine with two. Wet corn moves a whole lot slower than dry corn. It is what it is, though. So we'll just have to make the best of it. I should have enough on me now to fill the green Mac, and then we'll bring the white one will be on deck here shortly. I told Jason that corn there on the inside the cab protector adds a couple extra bonus or bushels to it. That pond looks beautiful. I don't know what you guys think, but I sure think it looks beautiful. So that's it. We're done. Done. Dun, 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 dun. Yep, we're done. Truck ain't quite gonna be full. Oh, it'll be full. Oh yeah. Moving out back, I think I'll just hang right in the woods here, so that way, and that's right in my line of sight. There, that's better. Less aggravation means a happy grain cart operator. Nah, well, yeah, I'll just wait here. Oh crap, I'm sliding. This is not crud. This is not good. And the wheel is pointed straight. Yeah, not good, but you know what, we made it. Just kept it in a gear, didn't get all excited with the throttle, and we just kept the momentum on our side. Oh, that's the speed I wanted at. I will go slow out of here because I am about to overflow. We don't need no misses. Well, crap. I was thinking to myself, if I stayed over along this tree line, hugged it, I wouldn't slide as bad, but yeah, I can already feel it starting to want to slide. Darn it. Yep, she's sliding. Oh boy. I can feel it. Come on. Don't do this to me now. Come on. Oh boy. Oh, why is this? And you dare not hit the differential when you're spinning. Come on. You don't stop, you don't do nothing when you're spinning. You kind of just gotta spin your way out of it. If that be the case. Well, I made it. Oh boy. That was a little sticky. Okey-dokey. Got a tail light out. I guess you don't have a tail light out, it's just awfully dull.
You're clear, come on out.
Thank you. God, there was nobody behind me. Just starting a little 5-acre piece or 3 acres. Yeah. Is that sunset? Beautiful. Now I had to stop and get a couple pictures for the Snapchat. That is beautiful. Marvelous. Sorry about the wiper blade.
You're empty to go to Howell Road.
Okay. That tail light is working, but the lens just needs cleaned. That's what it is. I have to take that tail light lens apart this winter and clean it. We had to do that to that 744 today, and them tail lights work on that loader real well. He must be on the phone. So I don't know if you guys can see or not. We're having to unload the trucks on the road because we do not have a driveway in the field here to access or to get the trucks off the road, because this is not our field. So we're having to load the trucks on a road. Well, there he goes. Pick the end off. I'll just sit here out of the way. Keep on rolling. So I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see this. We got the green Mac sitting up there with the hazards 4-way flashers on. Like I said, we're having to load the truck on the side of the road because we do not have a suitable means of getting the truck in the field. It's a little too slimy to be putting the road trucks in the field. So we're just having to do things differently. And you just drag the cart with you in case you need it, but it's just easier to let the combine load the truck if you're full by the time you come to the end of the row, or vice versa. And that truck is about full, I'll say. We'll be waiting for another one, or we'll just fill the cart for an overflow and do it that way. Well, there's the other truck. Just went on by, so I might as well shut this thing down.
You taking Bird with you, Danny boy? Yep. Alright, Bird, loop around and shut that thing off.
Okay. Make some room here.
There ain't much.
Nope. I like these RD cabs.
That's cheap.
Yeah. Did you find it?
Oh yeah,
Good.
I figured it out.
Yep. Oh dear. I was gonna say, don't get off in the field too far. Got her kind of struggling a little bit.
Too high a gear.
Oh boy. Easy, now you get a speeding ticket with this thing.
Oh,
Are you sure?
yeah.
that'd get annoying in a hurry, wouldn't it?
What?
That turn signal thingy?
You get used to it.
Do ya? I've been wanting to get that Western Star during the day. Get it on this camera. That thing sounds sick. Going with them jakes and them turnouts.
Yeah.
Man. I told Pete, I was like, man, that thing needs straight pipes on it.
Sorry, this thing's in the ship.
And he's like, yeah, it sounds good for only like 10 minutes, so then nobody'd want to drive it anymore. I'm like, yep. Are you driving truck tomorrow or running combine?
I don't know what I'm
Are you taking this back up to the field tonight? No. You can't find them, grind them.
Well, it's just easier without the jig brake on.
Oh yeah? Are you sure about that?
Yep.
I didn't get enough RPM. Like that.
Oh. Gotcha.
I don't drive this one every day.
No. You just feel like a baby driving it, don't you?
Right now I feel pretty good. Whenever he has the seat all the way up, I feel like a baby.
Me too, you know? It's like, man. I don't know how his head does not have a flat spot in it from hitting the ceiling. I know. The guy's what, 6'5"?
That's not supposed to happen.
Oh dear.
I didn't have it gear ready.
Uh-oh.
That's what happens whenever you don't drive it every day.
Yep. Kind of sounded like she was going to stall there, didn't it?
That's because the jig was on.
Oh.
It'll flutter real good.
Yep. Well, you want me to help you get backed up to the grain moving device?
You don't have to. I nailed it last time.
Yeah, I'll get out and help you. It always goes better with two people. Now let me out. Oh dear Lord. I'm not gonna get out while you're moving. No, that'd be bad. Oh wait, he probably wants the lights off. open, and it's all the more it wants to handle. Just got her done. Let them boys do their thing, and I'm gonna call it a night. We'll catch back up with you guys later. Well, that is how fast that 10-inch auger will empty a dump truck. That is pretty dang fast, I will say.